In Shenandoah, a baby arrived in the middle of a snowstorm, and the family doctor jumped on his ATV so he could drive through the snow and get to the hospital in time. I'm your Southwest Iowa neighborhood reporter, Katrina Markle, and I met the healthy new baby who now has a fun origin story.
She is a good sleeper.
Krystal Gardner had a C-section scheduled Friday morning, and doctors didn't think it should be rescheduled. So she and her husband Craig arrived on time to Shenandoah Medical Center. Dr. Chase Brown lives in the country, and when it was time for him to head out, he had a problem. He was snowed in.
I knew that my only option was to drive my old, I guess it's not that old, but my trusty four-wheeler to get into work.
So off he went through the snow. A hospital staffer snapped this photo of Dr. Brown's ATV in his assigned parking spot.
That's my parking spot. Yeah, where else am I going to park?
The C-section went smoothly, and soon the Gardners were holding their baby girl, Berkeley Rain. These parents, grateful Dr. Brown braved the storm.
Because I think that it would have been easy to stay in bed and just say we're going to reschedule.
Yeah.
So we were definitely grateful for everybody.
What's more amazing is that isn't the first time weather tried to slow down the doctor, or even the first time that week. Earlier that week, he got his car stuck on the way to deliver another baby.
And so within about 20-30 minutes, all my neighbors had come. There were 2 tractors and a skid loader to come dig me out.
It's the kind of thing that happens in a small town when your doctor is your neighbor and friend.
I think it's rare. I think it's great for our community. But I think that if you go to a bigger city, you won't get that.
It just is never a question that even if there's a snowstorm, you're just going to come in because, you know, it's not just a patient. It's your neighbor, it's your friend, it's your colleague, it's people that you see all the time.
Going the extra mile, sometimes literally. Neighbors caring for neighbors.
At the Shenandoah Medical Center, I'm your Southwest Iowa neighborhood reporter, Katrina Markle.